Hello, my name is Jennifer Alvarez. Time 4. Step 3. Option B. I travel with to in my next vacation of in January Santa Marta with my husband and sons. We're going to visit my sister in Maicao, Guajira. Also visit the Palomino Beach. We finally return to Santa Marta. We always stay at the Costa Sur Hotel. I will wear beach clothes and very fresh. Also wear hats. I will invite at my house. In the morning, in will walk for the beach and do the exercise. We will also swim in the pool of hotel. We will spend little money. I am not going to buy any souvenir. Thank you. Bye bye.